If you have got an iPhone, this is an amazing feature which is going to boost your productivity. So we will be using two features on iPhone to make it speak anything that is on the screen. So there is a feature on every iPhone. It's called speak screen. Whatever it is on your screen, it will speak, but it can only be used when the accessibility shortcut is enabled. You can trigger this speak screen feature by swiping down from the above using two fingers. But here is an easy solution. So there is another amazing feature on iPhone, which is back tap, which means whenever you tap on the back of your iPhone, something can get activated. So there are two types of taps that can be customized. One is double tap and the other is triple tap. Now let me quickly show you how you can enable this. You need to go to the settings area and then find accessibility. When you are in the accessibility, you will find that touch option. And when you scroll down, back tap is on for me. So it can either be turned off, or you can use a double tap and triple tap feature. So for me, double tap is open camera and triple tap is speak screen, which is the feature I'm talking about for this video. So let me go back to my home screen. And if I double tap, you can see the camera opens. Although the camera can be accessed from the lock screen also. But also I feel double tap opening the camera is also a cool feature to have. Now let me show you how the triple tap feature works. So if there is nothing on the screen, if you do triple tap, no speakable content could be found on the screen. It will say that there is no speakable content, which is obvious. But if I go into the email and suppose if I have to read this email, it is a pretty long email. I'm not in a mood to read the email after a long tiring day. I can triple tap at the back of the iPhone. What Elon Musk doesn't share. Twitter's customer attraction secrets. Inbox from Paulo Mahani, the 31st of May to me. Hi Asif, tomorrow is the day. This is your last chance to register. In just a little over a day, we will be hosting a live training called Rethink Social Media. Stop wasting time. Start earning money with international speaker and best. This is your last chance to register. In just a little over a day, we will be hosting a live training call. So you can see it is speaking a little faster than the normal speed because I have selected it to read the content at 1.5x, which is 150%. So 100% is the normal speaking rate and 150% is a little faster. So this way you will be able to read stuff on your mobile phone faster and even without looking at the screen, which is quite amazing. You don't have to look at your screen all the time. Not only for emails, it can also be used for social media. For example, if you are reading something on Twitter and there is a long thread, let me find a thread that I have liked. By the way, I'm on Twitter also. The user ID is to Asif. So this is the thread, and if I'm not in a mood to read it, I can also listen to it. So I'll triple tap. Hi is how you can add an iPhone mockup to your screenshots automatically. From last few days, I have been seeing a lot of tweets about app showcases, which uses the screenshots in beautiful iPhone mockups. I created a custom shortcut. It automatically adds an iPhone mockup. Monday, 6:41 p.m. from Earth. View tweet activity. Asif Ahmed. Here's how it works. 1. Take screenshot. 2. Tap on share. 3. Team views the 29th of May 2020. So you get the idea how you can utilize this feature. So the back tap feature on iPhone, where the double tap and triple tap buttons are available, you can set it up for anything. I found this one to be working perfectly for reading emails and reading longer threads on Twitter. For reading articles, I still use the Pocket app, which is amazing because there is an extension for Google Chrome also. So whenever I find an interesting article on my computer when I'm working, I can save that and add that to Pocket app, which will be available on my phone so that I can listen to it when I am walking. So this is a productivity hack everyone should follow, and now you also know it. I have created a lot of videos about iPhone and about how you can be more productive on iPhone. You must check the playlist also and subscribe for future videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.